Why don't you just, as briefly as you can, in the 10-word version, explain what uninsured motorist insurance does when the other party has limited liability insurance?
Sure, and everybody that's watching ought to go back and pull their policy out, look at that deck sheet, and see if they have uninsured motorist coverage. But what that does is that is a part of a policy that you pay for, and you take it out when you take out your insurance. You pay an extra premium for it, and what that does is essentially step into the shoes of the insurance company that should be covering the at-fault driver in a situation like we have right here. So your insurance company actually becomes your adversary at that point in time, but it gives you coverage to pull from if the at-fault driver that caused the wreck did not have insurance.
Or has limited insurance. It could be your coverage could stack on top of the other person's liability insurance.
Correct.
And what you're saying is if they don't put their own uninsured motorist insurance carrier on notice, they can forfeit the coverage without ever even knowing it, especially if the delay jeopardizes their insurance company's right to defend the claim.
That's right. That's just something that's got to be done as soon as possible.
Right.
Don't wait.
And the other thing is, and people come in to see us all the time, and we ask the question, do you have uninsured motorist coverage? Because we need to put their company on notice, and we get the response, yeah, I got it, I got full coverage. Well, full coverage in the insurance industry, and that means nothing. Full coverage typically does not include uninsured motorist coverage. So even though you've been told you got full coverage, don't count on it. You need to look at your policy.
It would be something that would be completely separate.
And I'll bet you 9 out of 10 people watching tonight cannot tell you or tell your spouse as you're sitting there what the amount of your uninsured motorist insurance is.
Or
that
if
is
they
very
have it.
important.
Or if they have it.
Or if they have it.
That's right.